Welcome back to Chic Space's YouTube channel. Today, we are bringing to you a beautifully designed 3 BHK home interiors from owner Aquantis at Nalagandla. This home blends modern functionality with chic aesthetics, from stylish glass shutters wardrobes and subtle elegant wallpapers to a stunning partition in the drawing room and thoughtfully designed master bedroom. This home tells stories in every corner. My favorite part of this house is definitely the partition with fluted glass. Please watch the entire video and leave in comments about your favorite chic space. Thank you.